Critical library mismatch involving the Appvisvsubsystems32.dll. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer, and I'll help you get your PC back to a stable state. This DLL file is a 32-bit component of Microsoft App-V Application Virtualization. It manages the virtual subsystem layers that allow 32-bit virtualized applications to interact with the host OS and local file system. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. The App-V Subsystems32.dll is a core Windows component. Launch an elevated command prompt and run sfc scan now to scan for corruption and automatically replace missing or damaged system DLLs. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize and unregistered the App-V Subsystems32 component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. Installing an unverified version of the App-V Subsystems32.dll is one of the most common ways to accidentally bypass your system's built-in security firewall. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. For users interested in automation concepts, the Maintenance and Repair Kit linked below provides background information on managing the App-V Subsystems32. If your workstation is back online and Microsoft Application Virtualization is running smoothly, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, reliable solutions.